How the dog found himself a new master. Before we go deep into the story, let us discuss what made the dog find a master. This lesson has been written on the basis of an idea that dogs were once their own masters. Now, children, tell me, who looks after your needs? Of course, your father. So we can say your father is the master of your house. In the same way, dogs were their own masters. Means they need to search for food. Now when it comes to forest, do you suppose finding food in a forest is a very easy thing? No, certainly not. So the dogs need to fight with other dogs, and they were in forest. Now forest is a place for not only dogs but other wild animals. Now when it comes to dogs, they can't fight with animals like wolves, tigers, lions, etc. Anyhow, sometimes dogs need to fight with other dogs as well. Now the question is, our dog, means the dog which we discuss in the story, has been ill pleased, not at all happy with this way of finding food on his own or to fight with other animals, etc. Now it has thought of becoming a servant to a master. Now if you have a pet dog, it won't go anywhere. You will give it food. So you are the master of your pet dog, as you are going to look after its needs. Of course, it is going to guard your house. It barks when some strangers come, or it plays with your kids, etc. Now, if there is a master, the dog need not worry about finding food, shelter, and protection from other animals as well. So this story has been written on the basis of an idea that a dog has started searching for a master who is all powerful. Remember, children, this dog has a particular specifications regarding a master. Whom does the dog want as master? One who is all powerful, so that it gets food, it gets shelter, it gets protection as well. Now look at the first para. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do. Now you have seen a wolf, or you have heard of a wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. So is a thing with dogs also once. Even now we have wild dogs. Wild dogs are used for hunting, and the dog which we see are dogs which we see are domestic dogs. Domestic dogs are not used for hunting, whereas wild dogs used to be hunting, and they are equal to strength with wolves. And they can fight with a wolf also. Now, dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom. They were not slaves or they were not assistants to someone else earlier. They were their own masters. They need not work for anyone. They simply need to search for food, finding it, and then to be happy with whatever they get. But finding food in a forest is not such an easy thing. So they need to struggle, they need to fight. Sometimes they don't even get food also. Anyhow, here this is very important. When they were their own masters, they were free. They have freedom. But one particular dog was ill pleased with this way of life. What way of life? With this way of finding food, finding shelter, protection, and to run away from animals who were powerful than him, and to fight with other dogs for food. Even now, you can see whenever there is a function, when they throw the leftovers, you could see so many dogs fighting with one another, and in this fight they sometimes waste the leftovers, and it is like they don't get food and they don't let other dogs get food. If they have an agreement among themselves, like first you eat and the next someone else, like that, there will not be any fighting. But of course, no animal will do like that. So is the thing with dogs also. Now, this particular dog was very unhappy with the way of finding food, finding shelter. And see, children, he was sick and tired. He was sick. He has become very weak in finding, and tired also. Every day finding food is not such an easy thing. Whereas now we have our mothers at home who prepare everything for us at the time of breakfast, at the time of lunch, at the time of dinner, or even sometimes snacks, whatever we wish. But if you are an orphan, who is going to give you breakfast, lunch, dinner? You need to work hard to get this. In the same way, a dog used to live, and this particular dog was also like that. He used to search for food, he used to find himself in danger sometimes, and he need to fight with other dogs for food. This dog somehow got tired. Every day searching for food, finding for food. Yeah, it has become a difficult thing for him to do this.